Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Judiciary Justice Servers. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 2, Aleli Porras. Opposite hitter, number 4, John Calio. Outside hitter, number 5, Jam Angeles. Middle blocker, number 6, Lerma Tubog. Another middle blocker, number 11, Arnie Pesebre. Setter, number 12, Mitch Alcancia. Starting libero at number 9, Sheena Castillo. Coaching the Justice Servers for this match is Mitch Alcancia. Calling on our Philippine National Police Lady Patrollers. Let's start with our setter and their team captain at number 3, Patrolwoman Entezar Bancola. Middle blocker, number 5, Christy Tucas. Another middle blocker, number 7, Cez Oliveros. Opposite hitter, number 9, Police Corporal Caressa Vicente. Outside hitter, number 13, Kia Gomez. Outside hitter, number 20, Mila Ronquillo. Starting libero at number 2, Rexel Imshaco. Head coach of the Lady Patrollers, Senior Master Sergeant Rod Pinalba. It's the Justice Servers versus the Lady Patrollers. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
Starting lineup ng inyong Justice Servers. Mitch Alcancia will be the playing coach today. Wala po si Coach Arnaldo Dino. Samantala, it's a complete lineup dito para sa Lady Patrollers. They have the 2 top scorers ng kanilang last game. Kia Gomez and si Milaflor Ronquillo. Both players in double digits in their last game. A win against SSS. Ronquillo with 12, Gomez with 11. Alright, set number 1. Pagitan ng dalawang teams in our final game sa triple header natin ngayong Thursday. Dito sa Paco Arena. Mitch Alcancia and the rest of the Justice Servers naghahanap ng panalo after going down against the Suffragettes in 3 sets.
To start the set, we have Team Bancola serving.
Bancola with the serve. Alcancia to Pesebre. Inangat ni Gomez. Kia Gomez. There's a nice tip by Pesebre. Ronquillo inangat. Olivero sends it over. Battle at the net. Nice exchange sa panimula ng ating unang set. Nobody giving up defensively. There's a hit by Angeles. Bancola to Oliveros with the tip. And finally, nice placement for the first point after a long rally.
Usually, pag yung bola na pupush dyan sa zone 4, walang nakakakuha. Lagi siyang naiiwan ng bukas.
So the Lady Patrollers 1-0. Team captain Tin Bancola. Not a good pass. Pesebre inangat. Gonna be a chance ball dito para sa Lady Patrollers. Bancola to Gomez. Cut shot. Alcancia inangat. Pesebre short on the push.
Ang ganda ng set ni Bancola para kay Gomez in that last hit.
Right away, 2-0 start para kay Bancola and the rest of the Lady Patrollers. There's an up by Gallo. Chance ball para sa Lady Patrollers. Oliveros. Alcancia out to Pesebre. That's going to be outside.
She tried to go for the corner of zone 5, kaya lang napasobra lang ng konti.
3-0 na to. Pabor kay Latin Bancola and the Lady Patrollers. Not a good pass there mula kay Pesebre. Inangat ni Ronquillo. And here comes Gomez with an easy over. Limsiaco passes. Oh, nice adjustment in midair. Para kay Vicente. Alcancia. Pancake save is no good mula kay Bancola.
Alam mo, in the first few points mo, no, you know na They're trying to feel each other kung paano bang galaw ng kalaban. Ngayon, makikita na natin more action because alam na nila more or less no, yung strengths and weaknesses ng bawat isa.
First point mula sa Justice Service galing kay Mitch Alcancia. Vicente. Alcancia inangat. Here comes another hit. Oliveros with the left hand. Got it.
Si Oliveros, kaliwete siya from the middle. That was a good decision for Bangkola to give it to the middle para mas mabilis ang takbo no, ng play.
Oh, nice serve. Mula kay Kia Gomez. Bangkola inangat. Limsiaco will play setter. Nice hit there. Para kay Vicente.
No, slowly but surely, they're just, si Bangkola is giving everybody a chance to score, giving everybody a chance to get their rhythm.
Oh, service ace. Parang nagkahiyaan doon. Si Castillo and si Angeles. Take a look. Right in between.
Oo nga.
6-1 start. Para kay patrolwoman Kia Bianca Gomez. And itong Justice Servers, but that service fault gives the Justice Servers their second point of the game. Ronquillo with the first ball. There's a block touch.
Ronquillo is now in front para sa PNP. But before that, let's take a look at this. That ball kissed the line, so that's inside. Point for PNP.
Pesebre with the first touch. That's short. Tubog. Kinawid ang bola. Bangkola, the back set. Oh, and a nice shot again.
Vicente going for a cross court. Look at that. Medyo late yung blocker ng judiciary. Ronquillo, as I said earlier, no, Ronquillo is in front. She was the best player in their last match.
Puntahan natin to report ni Ira Pablo.
Hazel Magpantay will not suit up for the PNP Lady Patrollers and ayaw niya sanang ibalita ito, but I apologize to Hazel Magpantay, but I had to ask about you, no? So this is due to a possible MCL injury and I had to ask Captain Tin Bangkola about Hazel Magpantay and matagal na daw itong iniinda ni Hazel at tinatago daw niya to sila sa kagustuhan na gusto maglaro para sa team at makatulong dito sa PNP. And she's really afraid to take an MRI right now. Can't afford to have an injury dahil nga sa PNP, she is an assistant to a general and she is also a gold medalist in different sports para sa PNP. So naglalaro siya ng taekwondo, basketball, and volleyball. So possible daw na dun bumigay yung kanyang tuhod. So right now, she's undergoing therapy and hopefully hindi niya kinakailangan ng surgery para mas lumakas yung kanyang tuhod para hopefully makalaro itong si Hazel Magpantay for the second round. Balik sa inyo.
Alright, maraming salamat Ira. Multi-sport athlete Hazel Magpantay. She's suited up as you see that hit. It's good para kay Aleli Boras.
Oh, you know, if you're an athlete, di ba, kahit na anong injury pa yan, hindi mo talaga sasabihin para makalaro ka.
Well, we hope ayaw niya magpa-MRI ni Hazel Magpantay. So we hope everything can be fixed using yung therapy lang. So she can get back to the sports that she loves.
There, I think dito na si
Coach
Coach Dino.
Dino finally making it. Na traffic siguro. And right on time because nagkahabol dito ang kanyang kupunan down by 3. Biggest lead was 6 points para sa PNP. Overpass and outside.
I was gonna say, that was a good dig. Kaya lang yun nga, lumabas lang. Sobrang lakas ng tira ni Ronquillo.
Vicente is serving. They're up by 4. 9-5 dito sa opening set. That is outside. Buti na lang. Pinabayaan ni Angeles.
Yeah, good decision by Angeles. Alam niyang nasa likod na siya. Ang taas pa rin ng bola. Nung serve, hindi siya bumababa, so she let it go.
Limsiaco with the receive. Etukas tips it. Boras. Limsiaco, ang ganda ng depensa sa likod. Ronquillo atake. And that soft hit is good.
Yeah. Si Ronquillo, may kita natin in this ball game, iba-iba yung pwede niyang i-deliver. Hard hits, soft hits, tips, and look at that. Beautifully done to zone 6.
10-4. Service ace.
Ang lakas na niya sa front line, loaded pang services niya.
And tatawag ng timeout si Coach Arnaldo Dino. They are down by 5 dito sa first set.
Tawag na kagad. Taas ang bola, kunin nyo na kagad. Para hindi na, huwag mo na habulin. Ha? Huwag mo na habulin. Okay. Tatlong beses na yun, puro yung gitna. Yan sundan ko kanina sa ano eh. Okay? Joe, pag tumalo na ng outside, pumasok na ng konti. Okay? Hayaan mo na si Derma sa likuran. Siya na kukover ng likod mo. Kunin mo na yung gitna na lang. Okay? Habol ka na lang dito. Pag umusog siya, cover ka na konti para mag-sharing tayo ng area. Okay? Ulit. Balikan natin yung receive. Receive tayo para makapalo tayo. Let's go.
Mag-uusap kayo sa loob. Mag-uusap kayo sa loob. Okay.
Justice! Servers!
Go, go, go. Go for point tayo. Go for point.
Basically, no defensive pattern ang remind lang ni Coach Dino sa kanyang team. How to move, where the coverage should be. Kasi nga, they recognize na iba-iba ang abilities, no? Iba-iba yung kayang gawin ng attackers ng PNP. So they have to adjust.
Tubog, inangat ang bola for Boras. A tip there on the 1-2 play para kay Tin Bangcola. Bangcola sets it up. They go to Gomez. Got it.
Ito rin, no, PNP, gaya nung kanina sa BFP, ang PNP, ang dami mo ring artillery. You can use anybody, front row, back row. Gomez is one of them. Ronquillo is another.
Back to the biggest lead. 6 para sa PNP. Boras. Good receive. Para kay Vicente. Gomez will score. And this is now the biggest lead at 7 points para sa Lady Patrollers.
Oh, si Gomez, consecutive attack points coming from her. She's not that tall of a player, but she knows the timing of the jump. Tsaka mataas din tumalon.
In fact, pantay-pantay lang halos tong height nitong Lady Patrollers. They get an ace.
Kailangan talaga habulin mo yung bola eh. Until you're sure na outside, don't let it go.
Pesebre, much better pass. Good save
good
by
pass.
Bangcola, pero third touch, wala na para sa Lady Patrollers. Finally a side out for the Justice Servers. Angeles scored her first point of the game. Pesebre, inangat. Angeles, papalo ulit. Bangcola to Etukas.
Ang ganda, no? Nagtinginan lang si Bangcola at saka si Etukas eh. Paano ang ganda naman ng first ball? Hindi na gumalaw sa pwesto si Bangcola. That's why she was able to give that ball very easily to Etukas.
8-point lead para kay Etukas and the rest of the Lady Patrollers. There's a tip sa ibabaw. Oliveros will score.
Yeah, Olivero saw that that ball was over. It was in the free zone. So pwede niyang tamaan yun without violating any rules. Tapos inano pa niya, redirected that tip.
Boras, sinet kay Angeles. Easy pickup para kay Vicente.
Nice set.
10 na tong kalamangan. Ang bilis for the Lady Patrollers. Just absolute no mercy para sa Lady Patrollers. Final timeout to para kay Coach Dino. We'll listen in.
Kasi isipin natin binagsakan tayo ng bola. Importante tumaas ang bola, makuha natin ang second ball, takas natin sa 6, kaya naman paluin. Kasi hahayaan na natin bumagsak yung bola. Now, hindi natin titingnan yung kung sino kukuha ng first ball, sino kukuha ng second ball. Importante ron, hindi natin bababagsakin ang bola sa atin. Okay? So, magtulungan tayo sa loob ng court.
Tara.
Okay? Pag mataas ang bola at sigurado tayo, ito na ang gamitin natin. Ha? O, sige.
Ulit kami drop ball. Gagawa naman natin sa training. Yung ba't di natin magawa kayo?
Tara. Go.
Hindi natin paano yun yan, no?
Ready na kayo. Justice!
Relax lang.
Parang ang ang tahimik lang ng Justice servers, no? Parang walang nagsasalita inside the court. Maybe because they also see na it's 17 serving 7. So, ang laki-laki nung kailangan nilang habulin. Pero yun nga, sabi nga ni coach na pag nasa inyo yung bola, kailangan huwag niyong pabagsakin in your area. So, treat it like a bomb, diba? Na hindi mo siya papabagsakin kasi puputok.
Alcanza, back to Boras. Blocked by Oliveros. Alcanza, tinapik, patawid ang bola. Here comes Oliveros again. Ooh. And just continuing to run away with this first set. 11 na ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Patrollers.
Si Oliveros going for that middle hit there. Ang ganda ng mga sets ni Bangkola. Paano? Ang ganda rin naman ng first ball nila. Very well controlled.
Angeles, nakakuha ng konting net doon to slow down the ball. And a side out ulit para sa Justice servers, pero these points are very few and far between para sa Justice servers.
Oh, natawa na lang si Vicente dun eh. Kasi nga nag-iba yung direksyon tsaka speed ng bola dahil sa net.
Aleli Boras, good serve!
Yeah!
Back-to-back points para sa Justice servers.
Nicely done by Boras.
So from down 11, Sham. Pinahabol ng Justice servers. 9 serving 18. Another good serve. And another ace!
Kaya tingnan natin how PNP is going to adjust because nakakadalawa na si Boras sa service.
And si Coach Pinalba, tumayo na. And that is the risk you take pagka kargado ang serve.
Yeah.
So only 2 aces, back to a 9-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers as we check in once again with Ira Pablo.
Excited naman tong si Attorney Tally Inting na ibalita sa akin na nakabalik na siya sa practice last Wednesday due to a MCL partial tear 2. Ang ginawa lang daw niya ay pinahinga niya yung kanyang tuhod, nakinig lang daw siya sa mga therapists, sinunod yung mga exercises na pinapagawa sa kanya. But during practice, when she was trying to jump at pumalo, akala daw niya na ang taas na daw nung tinalon niya, but in reality, she barely left the ground. So kailangan niya talagang mag-focus on strengthening her knees again para she can go back to her playing condition. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira Pablo. Well, we wish Attorney Inting all the best sa kanyang rehab and strengthening ng kanyang tuhod. But she's always here. She's always very passionate. You can hear her voice sa sidelines, just encouraging the team. Pero it's tough when they're struggling like this. Back-to-back aces para kay Bangkola.
Also si Attorney Inting, very encouraging.
Yeah.
Si Pesebre, hindi pa natin na-mention masyado yung name niya, no?
Yep.
So, nababantayan siya ng PNP, hindi siya nabibigyan ng bola.
No points, 2 errors para kay Pesebre. As this is now a 12-point lead, pinakamalaking kalamangan para sa Lady Patrollers. Service error para kay Team Bangkola, who's always smiling each and every game.
Yeah.
Samantala, Tubog returns. And uupo si Vergel. Vicente with the up, very short pass. Vicente gets it back. Tinawid lang ang bola. Alcanza. Ato Pesebre. And there it is. Larnie Pesebre with her first point of the match.
There goes Pesebre, 2 blockers in front of her, but she managed to find that gap in between the blockers.
Ten-point lead. Biggest was 12. Para sa Lady Patrollers. And it'll go back to 11. Service fault. Tubog into the net.
Medyo mababa yung set ni Mitch. That's why Tubog, very limited yung option niya for that attack.
And now it's 12 set points para sa Lady Patrollers. 24 serving 12. Almost an overpass na ituwid ni Alcanza. There's a hit. Coming from Oliveros. Tubog. Limsiaco.
Nice set.
There's Vicente with a hit. Alcanza underhand pass. Pesebre. Gomez. Chance ball para sa Justice Servers. Alcanza. Pupunta kay Pesebre. Why not? Ronquillo nandoon for the easy dig. Ronquillo. And that's the winning shot right there.
Alam ni Bangkole na Ronquillo will be able to kill it. Kaya sa kanya niya binigay.
Well, for Ronquillo, a quiet 5 points so far. Leading scorer para sa Lady Patrollers, Oliveros with 7. Samantalang it's Boras with 3 points para sa Justice Servers. And they lose big time. 25-12, a 13-point win para sa Lady Patrollers against the Justice Servers in set number 1.
One last time for today mga ka-UVL right here at the Paco Arena. We are now searching for third match phase of the game. Ngiti naman kayo sa camera. You can also wave and show us some love right there as we are now searching for a phase of the game. There she is, Miss Angel Pie, a supporter of the judiciary, Justice Servers. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. You get a gift back from Day 6.
Babalik tayo sa Paco Arena. Here you see the 13-point win ng Lady Patrollers kontra sa Justice Servers. Only 18 minutes it took to wrap up our opening set.
Yeah, like what I said earlier, no, para sa Justice Servers, hindi pa natin masyadong nababanggit si Pesebre. Normally, siya yung nakakapunto. Siya yung laging highest pointer for them. But at this time, she is kept at the minimum. So ito yung nangyari dun sa first set. Ang PNP had 16 attacks because they had really good controlled first balls. They knew where to stand. They knew how to protect their zones. Loaded ang kanilang services. Although they had the same number of errors, ang attacks were really one after another. Yung mga attacks din nila, hindi lang kasi yan from the front zone pati sa likod. At saka makikita natin yung mga distribution ng points nila, ng score nila, mababa kasi nga ang daming options for PNP.
So a lot of work para kay Coach Arnaldo Dino.
Yeah.
Only 5 attack points para sa kanyang koponan na clearly not gonna be enough against the high-octane offense nitong Lady Patrollers. And they're gonna need obviously big points coming from Pesebre and Bejek, who were some of the top scorers para sa kanilang koponan in their last game that lost kontra sa Suffragettes. So a little adjustment para sa Justice Servers as Vergel will be in the starting lineup. Pero I don't know if she's gonna be the starting setter because Mitch Alcanza nandyan din sa loob.
Para sa PNP, I just wanted to mention, magaling si Limsiaco as their librero. She was able to keep that ball up and alive several times. Akala mo patay na, pero itataas pa rin niya yung bola.
Ronquillo on your screens. Ito, first serve, set number 2 by Lerma Tubog via Gomez. And that is the first point. Lady Patrollers in set number 2.
Right away, they came out with a bang. Gusto nila makuha yung first point right away kasi usually pag nakuha mo yung first point, kuha mo yung yung momentum
Pesebre. There's a net touch. Tatawag.
I think it was
fits on.
Oliveros, right?
Could be Oliveros. Let's check.
Yeah, Oliveros.
So 1-all. Set number 2, and Lely Boras. Ronquillo with the pass. Gomez. Overpassed by Vergel. Vergel again. Siya ang tinatarget dito ng opensa ng Lady Patrollers. Bangkola with the dig. Back row Ronquillo. Go to Tubog. Tubog pops it up. Ito si Angeles on the attack. Limsiaco with the dig. And Vergel. Ganda ng depensa sa likod. Pesebre. Good rally. Bangkola. Go to Gomez. Gomez going to Vergel again. Vergel with the dig. Boras. Limsiaco with the pass. Bangkola the back set. Vicente out to Vergel. Vergel playing great defense in the back. There's a block by Vicente kontra kay Pesebre. Angeles with the tip. Bangkola with the up. Ronquillo will set it. They go to Kia Gomez. Tipping it. Vergel again with a dig. And there's Lerma Tubog coming in late and throwing it away.
Ang ganda ng rally na yun, but you know, Vergel, wow. She's a great digger for the Justice servers.
Hard fought. Point number 2 para sa Lady Patrollers. They're up by 1. And Tubog with back-to-back errors.
Certain, a little adjustment here para sa zone protection ng Justice servers. Tingnan natin if it's gonna work.
Wow, solid serving there.
Yeah.
Para kay Kia Gomez. Angeles with a hit. Limsiaco pops it up. Ronquillo, block. Oh, what a quick adjustment. Oliveros with the tip.
Ang ganda naman ng ginawa ni Oliveros. Very smart move. Very fast thinking. Ang quick to react, Oliveros.
And Lerma Tubog, pagpapahingahin muna ni Coach Dino as Dolorosa, Catherine Dolorosa checking in. Para sa Justice servers, down by 3 points. 3-point run for the Lady Patrollers. Nice pass by
Yeah.
Vergel. Pesebre, hindi tumawid ang bola. Whoa! Good break there para sa Justice servers. And here comes Vicente. Got it.
Yung bola kasi galing from PNP, iba-iba yung speed niya eh. Kuminsan mabagal, kuminsan mabilis. Kaya pag ikaw yung floor defender, kailangan talaga focused ka eh, para alam mo kung paano i-receive yung bola.
4-point run para sa Lady Patrollers. Alcanza to Pesebre. And that save is no good para kay Limsiaco. One of the rare times you see Limsiaco not get it up.
That's right. But you know, si Pesebre, using her smarts, nakita niya merong 2 blockers. So, hindi niya challenge yung blocker. Ginamit niya yung blocker for the point.
Bangkola, underhand pass. Ronquillo. Inangat ni Boras. Angeles. Limsiaco passing. Bangkola. Oliveros will score.
When Oliveros is in front, you have to keep an eye on her. Kasi kung maganda ang first ball sa kanya at sa kanya ibibigay yung bola. Kasi mabilis eh ang opensa kapag sa middle ng gagaling.
Walang runs para dito sa Justice servers. It's back to a 4-point lead for the Lady Patrollers. Pesebre. Popped up by Bangkola. Vicente. Alcanza magsiset kay Pesebre. Nasa gitna. Yes!
Bump set yung ginawa ni Alcanza pero okay lang kasi perfect for Pesebre. There goes that bump setup. 2 blockers were in front of Pesebre but not a problem. She was able to go over the blockers.
Bangkola. Etukas.
Wow.
Good dig para kay Boras. Angeles sa atake. That is popped up by Oliveros. Gomez back row. Inangat ni Pesebre. Alcanza back to Pesebre. Bangkola. Vicente. And that is almost overpassed. Hindi na kailangang hawakan ni Vicente because Alcanza hindi na naiangat yung bola. Well, a short stint para kay Dolorosa. She will sit down. Lerma Tubog is back in the game. Back to the biggest lead ng Lady Patrollers at 4 points. Boras with a good pass. Tubog. Cut shot. Nice adjustment by Ronquillo para maiangat. Ronquillo hits it and sends it into the antenna.
Oh, medyo mahirap yung binigay ni Limsiaco na second ball eh. Nagtawanan na nga lang sila sa likod dahil nga that was an off second ball.
4 serving 7. Tatlo hinahabol dito ng Justice Servers. They're down 1 set as well. Lermatubo, good adjustment. Limsiaco, Bangkola, and tip by Etucas. And Lermatubo out of control.
Alam mo, I'm watching Vergel eh. Ang ganda ng reaction niya. Natataas niya yung bola. So, kung ikaw ang taga-PNP, hindi mo ibibigay sa kanya yung bola dahil she's gonna keep that ball alive.
Speaking of PNP, let's find out more about Tin Bangkola in this report by Ira Pablo.
Captain Tin Bangkola herself is also not 100% para dito sa PNP. Meron daw siyang inaalalayan na MCL injury before, but para sa kanya, it's manageable as a setter, unlike dito kay Hazel Magpantay that serves as a middle na kailangan tumalon ng tumalon palagi. And these are some of the things that the PNP Lady Patrollers put on the line para sa season na to dahil para sa kanila, they consider this one as their comeback season after nga sa nangyari last season wherein they fell short for a final spot. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. Well, they're in a good position right now. Number 1 in the standings. And they can be solo number 1. With a win today, aangat sila to 6-1 in the standings. Iiwanan nila ang 5-1 ASP. Timeout for Coach Dino as they are down 11-4 dito sa second set.
Huwag mo bigay. Nasa utak lang yan. Huwag mo bigay. Kaya mo naman eh. Huwag kang papatalo doon sa damdamin mo. Gamitin mo yung utak mo dyan. Okay? Ulit. Mas gumaganda na yung depensa, mas nakukuha na natin. Kailangan lang kikilusan natin. Okay? Kumuha tayo ng depensa, kailangan na-atake tayo. Hindi yung igagano lang natin yung bola sa kabila. Naman puro transition nila, puro galing sa atin, atake sila. Okay? Pag wala tayong receive, hindi tayo makakapalo. Kahit sa kaya naman pumalo eh. Okay? Bawian natin ulit ng isang magandang receive, tsaka set. Okay?
Malayo ba yan? Malayo pa. Kapitan natin.
You have to be a team out there. You're not even talking. You're not even looking at each other. You're not playing as a team. Justice! Servers!
Oo nga, masyado silang tahimik inside eh. Parang nag-aalala sila, baka mag-commit sila ng error. And I think, you know, yung pinakamahirap na kalaban, yung sarili mo. Diba? So, sabi nga ni Coach, you go beyond yourself. You work as a team. So, let's see if something good will come out of that timeout. There you go. Service error, point for the Justice Servers.
One step forward, but adim pa ang hahabulin dito ng Justice Servers. 5 serving 11. Bangkola. A nice tip there by Gomez.
Good up.
Pesebre with a hit. Limsiaco passing. Ito na naman si Gomez from the middle this time. Inangat ni Vergel. Alcanza to the other side. Go to Boras. Vicente passing. Etucas got it.
Ang ganda ng connection ni Bangkola at ni Etucas kanina pa. There goes that good first ball. Kaya napapa-under palagi ni Bangkola ang gitna niya eh. Binibigay lang talaga sa kanya yung bola eh for an easy setup.
That service outside is not going to help. To Justice Servers, they score 1, they throw away 2. So now they're down by 8.
Up. That ball sails out as it caught the net.
All right, some substitutions para kay Coach Dino. Pinasok for the first time today, Joanna Bejek, one of the top scorers para sa kanilang koponan.
Yeah.
Seeing action only for the first time today. 7. Ito ang hinahabol dito ni Lerma Tubog. And the rest of the Justice servers. Bangkola. And goes to Gomez on a combination play. Overpassed by Honorable Mendoza Villapando. And another point here para sa Lady Patrollers.
Bangkola, nakita mo na she can go on 2. She can also earn a point even if she's a setter outside of the service zone. Pwede rin siyang pumuntos. That was a good play.
Bangkola with 3 points.
Nice serve.
Great quick reflexes by Kia Gomez to keep it alive.
Oh!
And on the rebound, the point by Princess Oliveros.
When she hit that ball, it went to the net. Kaya naiba yung ano niyan, yung not the distance but the speed and the direction of the ball.
Too strong yung serve ni Tin Bangkola. But doesn't matter really.
Yeah.
Right now they're up by 8 points again. Aleli Boras. Gomez. Yes.
Yeah, that was inside. Again, Gomez going up for that hit. Good arm swing. Good follow through.
Puntahan naman natin ulit si Ira Pablo for this report about Lerma Tubog.
Lerma Tubog is the second longest serving employee para dito sa judiciary, already serving 18 years para sa Supreme Court. So she is an information officer. She is in charge of furnishing copies of Supreme Court decisions for the public. So she graduated from Polytech University at nakapaglaro siya sa NCRAA sa SQA as well. So prior to the UVL, she had a 7-year gap dito sa volleyball, but she says she's very active in running. So nung tinawagan siya ni Attorney Tally Inting para maglaro para dito sa UVL, it wasn't difficult for her to stay in shape. Kinailangan daw niyang matutunan ulit yung mga basic skills in volleyball, pero mas mabilis siyang to get in the groove of playing again. And she's very excited when the judiciary became a part of the UVL, and very happy siya to be around volleyball all the time. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. But right now, itong Justice servers really struggling, forcing Coach Dino to call his second and last time out. They're down by 11 points already after this shot by Ronquillo.
As much as possible, yung bola natin doon lang sa gitna. Huwag na natin palayuin para hindi humabol si Judge. Okay, kaya naman ibigay ni Judge, kaya naman natin pumalo. Okay? Kailangan natin paikutin. Maka-score tayo. Okay? Ha? Kaya to. Huwag niyong bibitawan. Nandito lang lahat sa utak yan. Let's go!
Tara. Okay, mag-uusap pa rin kayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. 7 pa lang yung score natin.
Malayo pa yan.
Tapos kulang din sila ng 7. Diba walang kwenta?
Justice!
Ang ganda naman yung sinabi ni Attorney Inting, no? Nakakatawa. Makikita mo rin, maganda rin yung mga smiles on the faces of the players who are going to go back on the floor to play. Because if you look at the scoreboard, it's 18 serving 7. It's not something na you wanna see at talaga namang nakaka-dismaya, diba? Parang ayaw mo nang maglaro. Pero sabi nga ni Coach, kaya pa yan, pwede pa yang habulin. It's just 1 point at a time. Also, it's very important that the first ball is given to the setter na hindi masyadong papatakbuhin si Villapando.
Let's see if those adjustments can happen. Another bad receive there from Bejek. Vicente with a push and nobody home. Parang umuulan ng puntos dito para sa Lady Patrollers. They are getting anything they want.
You know, target talaga yung setter eh. Kasi again, if the setter gets the first ball, who's gonna run the play?
Acting setter right now, si Honorable Mendoza Villapando. There she is with the touch. Nice hit mula sa likod by Gomez.
Wow.
Villapando keeping it alive.
Yeah.
There comes the attack once again, and another easy point. That's Princess Oliveros now with 11 in the game.
Very smooth eh, no? Yung takbo ng PNP. Kita mo to. There goes that hit, and it came so fast. They worked so fast, and it's so seamless.
Well, wait a minute. There's a problem here para kay Lerma Tubog. She is hobbling and she will get help. She doesn't want to move. I don't know if it's an ankle problem or it's a knee problem. And we'll try to find out from Ira later if we can get a report on what happened. We didn't see much there.
Yeah.
She's checking her, she's removing the support. Looks like a knee thing. As in there's no attention to her ankle from the UNTV News and Rescue team. We're right now attending to her. A quick response by our team. Here is Honorable Mendoza Villapando on your screen. Some starting setter here in set number 3. We hope everything is okay with Lerma Tubog. It's a knee. Oh, she's icing the knee now.
Yeah. I hope it's nothing serious.
Yep. There's a concerned look on her face. Let's hope after initial diagnosis it's nothing. She looks worried. You don't see her on your screens, but we're telling you, although Ira Pablo is with her, they're joking around. Nakangiti pa naman si Lerma Tubog, so that's a good sign.
Alamin natin kay Ira, ano ba kwento?
Yes, si Lerma nakangiti pa naman eh. All right. In the meantime, first referee Ryan Corpus giving a message, sending a message through Pesebre para kay Coach Dino. Yeah, big smile on Tin Bancola's face. Why not? They're up 2-0 and they're up 20-7. Beg your pardon, they're up 1-0, but they're solid lead right now. They're only 5 points away from winning the second set. All right, we're good to go. Served by Kia Gomez. Overpassed. And an easy put away by Oliveros.
Oliveros was waiting for it. It was a good setup for her, this overpass.
So Oliveros, 12 na. And it is a 14-point lead, the biggest lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Much better pass. Oh, that could have been outside. Libsiaco picking it up. So Ronquillo with a hit down the line. Inangat ni Boras. Bejek adjusting, pero she didn't like it. So underhand pass lang. Bancola. Here's an attack by Vicente. It did not cross the net. So a point para sa Justice servers.
A bit of a miscommunication between Vicente and Bancola. Bancola thought that she was going for a, going for a running hit.
Only 2 attack points. Yeah, that's not going to help. Service fault ni Honorable Mendoza Villapando. Only 2 attack points, Chiki, para sa judiciary.
Oh,
so
wow.
2 of the 8. Yung other 6 are errors yan ng Lady Patrollers.
Oh, wow.
That's how bad they've been struggling itong Justice servers here in set number 2. Whoa, what a nice save there para kay Pesebre. Etucas playing setter. Ronquillo. Good job by Mindaro Villanueva. New libero on the floor para sa Justice servers. Ito si Ronquillo, atake. Inangat ni Bejek. Mendoza Villapando to Pesebre. And that's good.
And kailangan paandarin na nila si Pesebre din eh. But you can only do that if you have a good first ball because she's in the middle. And now she's up to serve.
Good pass. Vicente. Pesebre, inangat. Mendoza, Villapando to Bejek. Siako with the dig. Here comes Ronquillo. Yes! Boras pinabayaan. There was a block touch. He should have gone for it.
Right. Hindi yata niya napansin na there was a touch in that ball.
So 2 points away from winning set number 2. See Vicente and the Lady Patrollers make that 1 point away. 15 set points.
Again, the loaded services of the PNP Lady Patrollers are creating so much problems for the judiciary, justice servers.
Bejek. Vicente pops it up. Habol si Gomez. It's alive. Lumsiaco says, ako na magtatawid. Boras.
Oh,
Overpass. Nice block by Bejek on Etucas. Ronquillo tips it. Inangat ni Angeles. Mendoza Villapando back to Angeles. Chance to put it away here. Bangkola, Vicente, back row. Inangat ni Pesebre. Bejek. 1-2 play. Inangat ni Angeles. Here comes Bejek again. Limsiaco will set it. Etucas with an easy over. Mendoza Villapando. Bejek attacking. Yes! One set point save.
Vilipata doing a good job setting up Bejek.
Great job so far ni Judge Mendoza Villapando. Regional Trial Court 125, that is in Makati City. Angeles with the serve. Oh, back-to-back set point save by the Justice servers. Just when you thought di sila makaka-double digits, they're now with 11 points.
Oh, just 1 point at a time lang. Kaya pa yung humabol.
Bangkola, underhand pass. Here comes Ronquillo, and that's it.
That's it. Ronquillo recognizing that Bejek was in front. She went for a cross court to the block, earning that point.
Ronquillo picking up point number 10. So 2 players in double digits now para sa Lady Patrollers. They're led by Oliveros with 12. Samantalang it's Pesebre with 4 points leading the way para sa Justice servers. I want to find out what's going on with Lerma Tubog. She's getting help going to the other side from Attorney Enting. Let's hope she's okay. Attorney Enting, I think, teasing Lerma Tubog. All in all, great fun between these two teams. But right now, it's the Red Shirts dominating Lady Patrollers up 2-0 against the Justice servers. Very dominant first 2 sets mula sa Lady Patrollers. Winning 25-12, 25-11 kontra sa Justice servers. Going into set number 3. Final game of our triple header mula dito sa Paco Arena.
So ang PNP, no, talagang they were in full control of both sets. Ending in 25-12 first set, 25-11 ang second set. They were able to go to different attackers. Ito ang kwento niyan. Look at the attack points. 4 lang ang na-produce ng Judiciary kasi very loaded ang services ng PNP. That's why they were always out of system. Hindi nila maakyat yung bola. Takbo ng takbo everywhere yung kanilang setter. Samantalang dito naman sa Lady Patrollers, it's very seamless, very organized. Talagang nabibigay lang nila yung first ball sa setter nila. So the setter has a lot of options. She can go to the open, to the opposite, to the middle. Pati yung kanilang floor defense, napakaganda ng bantay sa mga zones na halos walang bola the drop sa court nila. Errors were also limited by both. 5 lang, no, para sa Judiciary, tapos 6 sa PNP. So the Judiciary, they have to talk inside the court. They're too quiet. Tapos parang slump na yung shoulders nila. Parang walang energy. Tapos lalo na siguro ngayon, dahil si Lerma Tubog had an injury. So maybe that also affected them. But yun nga, kailangan mindset upon entering set 3 na they're going to take this set and they're going to extend this match to 5.
Maybe a tall order, but they've got to start somewhere. Kailangan makakuha ng set, and it starts with set 3 because they're down 2-0. Salas, Remy Salas in the game for the first time today. And another new player on the floor para sa PNP. We have Lizelle Paginado. Mantala, also an adjustment for Coach Dino as Recio is in the game along with Yuboko. Lady Patrollers hoping to go up to 6-1 para makawala sa tie, although in terms of points, lamang sila. That's why they're ranked number 1. AFP is also 5-1 in the standings. Pero to solidify your position, a win here will put them at 6-1. Samantalang ang Judiciary looking to bounce back after losing their last game against the Suffragettes. Right now, they are 2-4 in the standings, tied with SSS na nanalo kanina in 5 sets against the Suffragettes. So they want to go up to 3-4. Pero it's going to be, again, tall order dito. They're down 2 sets and they really struggled in the first 2 sets. Losing by double digits in both first and second. Let's see if Dada Yuboko can make a difference dito. Set number 3.
Nice serve.
There Yuboko sets it up. Cut shot. And again, Limsiaco with great coverage. Paginado, the backup setter, sets it for Ronquillo. Vergel inangat. Pesebre, may touch si Oliveros doon. Just an easy over para kay Paginado. Oh, nice 1-2 play. Dada Yuboko puts the Justice servers on top for the first time in the match.
And you know, you need yung mga magic moves like that na hindi ina-expect ng kalaban.
All right, so John Marie Recio with the serve. Overpass. And then almost an easy put away there by Pesebre, but good coverage para sa Lady Patrollers. Pesebre with the push. Nobody there sa depensa. 2-0 start para sa Justice servers.
Yan yung mga kailangan mo eh, yung mga magic touches like that. Na walang tao, yun ang hahanapin mo. Huwag mo ibibigay sa tao.
Another short serve. So, resulting in an easy over mula sa Lady Patrollers. Pesebre off the block. 3-0 start. Justice servers.
Parang nung pumasok si Yuboko, parang naging kalmado ang Justice servers. Napapa-under na nila si Pesebre.
Pesebre with 6 points. Oliveros sends it outside. Nakangiti lang si Coach Pinalba dito, but they're down 4-0.
Yeah, look at that. 4-0. Ito yung kailangan na kapitan ng Judiciary.
By the way, Simborio also in the game para sa Lady Patrollers.
Nice set.
Revi Salas, inangat ni Angeles Yuboko. Paginado. Oliveros with the tip. And net touch. Tatawag kay Oliveros. 5-0 start para sa Justice servers.
Yeah, there goes that joust. There's that touch on the net by Oliveros.
Di pa concerned si Coach Pinalba. He's still sitting down. Ronquillo.
Great tip.
Yuboko to Angeles. Limsiaco inangat ang bola. Paginado. Oliveros. Recio nag-angat. Good defense by the Justice servers. Angeles scores again.
Good call there by Pesebre to put that ball up to Angeles. There goes that first ball. Pesebre taking over. And Angeles getting that ball on the ground.
And ngayon, you're gonna wonder hanggang kailan magtitiis si Coach Pinalba with the second stringers on the floor. I have not been able to score. Oh, a save by Dada Yuboko. Nothing going in. Finally, the first point ng Lady Patrollers. Net touch na tawag kontra sa Justice servers.
Pesebre, let's see paano nangyari yung net touch na yun. Pesebre goes up. And I think the arm nipped the tape.
One serving 6. Good serve, but a better pass. Pesebre, inangat ni Limsiaco.
Oh, good up.
Wow! Everything going right para dito sa Justice servers. No runs para sa Lady Patrollers.
Ang ganda din kasi ng reception ngayon ng Judiciary eh. Kaya nakakatakbo sila ng mga plays nila.
Solid serve.
Nice set.
Salas. Inangat ni Boras. Yuboko sets it. Pesebre. Ronquillo with the up. Ito si Simborio with the tip.
Good
What a
save.
save by Pesebre, pero kinapos on the third touch for the Justice servers. Tejada checking in. As Olivero serves. Layo ng habol ni Dada Yuboko. Angeles hits. Paginado to Simborio. This time with a hit. Angeles pops it up. Pesebre pushes. Paginado to Salas. Salas with the tip. A wild shot para kay Pesebre. There's a push by Simborio. And hit by Angeles. The longest rally of the set. Simborio down the line. Inangat ni Vergel. Pesebre. Yuboko. Easy pickup para kay Simborio. Here comes Salas again. Angeles. And Pesebre scores again.
Utakan ang game ng Judiciary. Hindi lang sila tira ng malakas, pero look at that. Those tips on open zones, that's what they're looking for.
Slowly but surely, 8 points na si Larny Pesebre as we check in with Ira reporting on the status of Lerma Tubog.
Prior to this game, partners daw sa warm-up itong si Attorney Tally Inting and si Lerma Tubog. And nung nagre-resistance bands daw sila, ay iniinda na ni Lerma Tubog yung masakit yung kanyang tuhod. So come the game, when she was trying to chase the ball at bigla siyang promeno, nag-twist daw yung kanyang tuhod kaya sumakit. And Attorney Tally Inting was trying to keep things light dito sa bench ng Judiciary, and inaasar nga niya itong si Lerma Tubog na old age daw yung kanyang injury. Pero pag tinatanong mo tong si Lerma if she wants to get back in the game, umuoo siya palagi. Though nakikita mo na she's really struggling to even walk at inaalalayan pa nga siya nitong si Attorney Tally Inting. Balik sa inyo.
All right, thank you very much, Ira Pablo.
Yan ang player, di ba? Kahit na may iniinda ka, go ka lang ng go hanggat sa kaya. There's Attorney Tally Inting and Lerma Tubog on your screen. Galing naman talaga ni Attorney, no? Hindi niya iniwan si Lerma Tubog who's injured.
Mantala, Revi Salas with a service fault. Lady Patrollers down by 7. Oh.
That's an easy point for PNP.
Malayo pa inahabol dito ni Simborio and company. And down by 6. Salas. Paginado. Ego na Tejada. Inabol ni Pesebre. Yuboko will send it over. Ronquillo on the attack. Overpassed. Good coverage by Yuboko. Boras sends it over. Yumsiako. Paginado back to Tejada with a tip. Yuboko. Much better floor defense para sa Justice servers. Ronquillo. Yes.
Wow. What a hit by Ronquillo. So much firepower there. That's a good setup. Good distance from the net. Good height as well.
Five-point game. 2 straight points scored by the Lady Patrollers. There's a block by Tejada. That's 3 straight points.
Kilala si Tejada dyan eh. Net defender siya. So kailangan talaga bantayan siya. Nasaan siya nakatayo. Iiwasan niya dapat. Kung ikaw ang kalaban ng PNP, iwasan niyo si Tejada.
4-point game. 6 serving 10. Gonna be an ace? Yes, it will be.
Good effort there by Vergel. Strong serve by Simborio. Kanina pa siya nasa service zone.
Second, make that first ace para kay Simborio. Second point for her. Now a 3-point game. Off the chest of Vergel. Paginado sends it over on a second touch, and that's short. Yuboko again with another 1-2 play.
O, si Yuboko, memorize na niya no? Yung mga 1-2 touch na yan. Although she played for a while as an attacker, she is serving as a good setter for the Judiciary Justice Servers.
11 serving 7. Salas. Aguinaldo out to Ronquillo. Vergel passes to si Boras. Limsiaco with the save. Tejada. Outside. No, it's on the line. Wait a minute. May overrule ang first referee, Ryan Corpus, saying it is outside.
The hit of Tejada was an angled hit. It was outside, but the
outside
line
nga.
judge called it inside. Kaya nagreklamo si si game captain Pesebre.
Ronquillo.
Good save.
Here's Tejada, tips it and scores.
Tejada, she can redirect that ball as well. You know, I've seen her play in season 1 and ang laki-laki ng difference ng kanyang pag-develop as a player. She's more confident now in her moves as well.
4-point game, 8 serving 12. Nice serve.
Yeah.
Recio sends it over. And si Salas for the dig. Ronquillo drills that one in.
Alam mo, parang nagkagulo sa floor defense ang PNP, pero look at that. Medyo magulo, pero naitaas ng maganda ni Paginado. That's why Ronquillo was able to deliver.
This is the closest na nakadikit ang Lady Patrollers after being down as many as 7 points.
Tejado's also called Barbie. Tinanong ko nga bakit Barbie? Name ba niya yun? Yeah, because she looks like a Barbie doll daw.
Timeout for Coach Dino. His 7-point lead is down to 2 after this ace by Tejada. Pakinggan natin ang Justice Servers.
Okay? 2 puntos pa yan. Kunin natin yung first ball, makaka-atake tayo. Kaya naman natin umatake, naisiset naman ang bola eh. Okay? Tapos ganun talaga yun. Trabaho tayo sa depensa. Pag pumalo sila, umangat, tignan nyo kung nasaan dadaan ng bola sa kamay ng block. Pag na-open block, hindi diretsuhan nyo na kagad yan. Tapatan, isa lang yan. Okay? Tuloy lang da. Ha? Tuloy lang. Kausapin mo na kausapin sa loob. Go.
Sino? Una mo sa pwesto.
Justice!
Sino yung pusoy?
Sabi nga ni Coach Dino, important yung net defense, pero important din ang floor defense. Pag nakalusot sa blocking, kailangan maganda yung coverage to keep that ball alive. So now, still on the service zone is Barbie Tejada. There's Ronquillo and Oliveros in front for PNP. That's a good serve, good up. Good set by Yuboko. Unfortunately, hindi lang na-transition, hindi na-convert into a point. So Tejada will serve again for the PNP Lady Patrollers. 11 serving 12. Ooh, wide on that serve. Limsiaco is back on the floor. She has been doing a terrific job manning the floor for the Lady Patrollers. Boras to serve. That's a good first ball. Good coverage. And a good push by Oliveros. Quick to react itong si Oliveros kanina pa. High volleyball IQ. There you go. Substitution dito sa Judiciary. So si Attorney Inting is inside. Out muna si Recio.
Just a 1-point game now. Ganda ng habol. But a great answer from Pesebre to maintain a mini cushion para dito sa Justice Servers.
Ganda ng connection ni Yuboko at saka ni Pesebre. Kasi before down, naglalaro sila outside. Hindi sila magkakampi, pero they're very familiar with each other. They've played against each other several times.
Easy over para sa Lady Patrollers. Yuboko to Pesebre. Simborio inangat, Paginado to Ronquillo. Oh!
Ronquillo, one of those rare mistakes na nanggagaling sa kanya.
So Larny Pesebre and the rest of the Justice servers escaping that run by the Lady Patrollers. Balik sa tatlong kalamangan nila. Ronquillo got it!
Good job there by Paginado. After magkamali ni Ronquillo on an attack, binigyan niya ng pagkakataon ulit para yung confidence level hindi bumaba. And there you go. Success in that last hit.
Ronquillo, nice serve. Short pass. Paginado, the set to Simborio. Simborio coming in late, kaya overhead toss na lang. Ito si Pesebre with a push. Inangat ni Salas. Paginado sets it up. Simborio. Oras to Yuboko. Yuboko to Pesebre. And that's in. Pesebre again. Now she has 10 points.
Si Pesebre, ang hirap ng angulo ng bola niya. Look at that. It's in between 4 and 5, zones 4 and 5.
Let's go to Ira Pablo reporting on Miraflor Ronquillo of the Lady Patrollers.
Bata pa lang daw itong si Mila Ronquillo ay gusto na talaga niyang makapasok sa PNP dahil may nakalaban daw siya sa volleyball at yung team ng PNP during that time. So when she reached college, she studied in Holy Cross of Davao College. Ay criminology na agad yung course na kanyang kinuha. So right after graduating, ay pumasok na agad siya sa PNP. So right now, she just finished her schooling in PNP, yung BISOC na tinatawag nila or yung internal security course as well as yung field training program nila. So dahil kakatapos lang niya ng kanyang schooling with PNP, wala pa daw siyang specific na designation sa PNP. But right now, she is already considered as a patrol woman. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. Tatlo hinahabol dito ng Lady Patrollers. After that block against Pesebre, the rally continues. Paginado to Simborio. Yuboko with the save. Paginado with the up. Tejada sends it over. Inangat ni Vergel. Pesebre. Yes, a save by Oliveros. Here comes Simborio. Yuboko to Angeles. Paginado to Salas. Salas with the push. Pesebre going down with the dig. Yuboko with a hit. Another long rally. Tejada. They got it.
You know, that setup to Tejada was a bit too low, but Tejada was able to make something of it.
Oliveros popping it up. Battle at the net. Simborio with a push. Vergel inangat. At Angeles with an attack fault.
Pero ang ganda na ngayon ang ginagalaw ng judiciary. Mas gumagalaw na sila inside the court. They're talking. And I think Yuboko is the key here. She's able to make everybody move.
And just like that, 3-point run para dito sa Lady Patrollers, and the game is tied at 17. Honorable Judge Mendoza Villapado returning. Pesebre with a push. Simborio. Yes! 4 straight points. Pinuntos itong Lady Patrollers, and they're on top for the first time here in set number 3.
That hit was perfectly timed by Simborio. She hit that ball on top.
Nice serve.
Yeah.
Yuboko. Pesebre. Salas. Got it.
Ang gusto ni Salas malapit sa net eh.
Coach Dino will call a timeout. This is now a 5-point run para sa Lady Patrollers to take a 2-point lead, 19-17. We'll listen to the Justice servers.
Ayun, kay Asian, kaya lang hindi ganun pumasok. No, tsaka short yung bola. Alright, ulit. Dalawa lang yan. Okay, balikan natin yung basic natin. Receive lang tayo. Tapatan tayo sa bola, umangat. Para makapalo. Kaya mo pumalo ni Judge, kaya pumalo ni ito. Kaya ibigay yung set. Okay? So, importante meron tayong first ball. Pag wala tayong first ball, patay na naman tayo dyan. Okay? So, hindi naman ganun kabigatan yung bola eh. Yung service. Uunahan nyo lang talaga sa gitna para umangat. Okay? Tapos siguradong bola tayo. Ha? Sigurado tayo. Let's go, let's go.
Dalawa lang, ha?
Huwag ka natin bitawan yung
Bitawan,
ano.
bitawan.
Okay. Kanya-kanya trabaho.
Justice!
Justice!
You know, good reminders there from Coach Dino. Kasi nga, kailangan talagang kumapit sila eh dito sa set na to if they want to stay alive in the match.
They led by as many as 7 points. Pero ngayon, nag-ahabol na sila down by 2. And si Coach Pinalba really stuck to his guns. Hindi pinasok majority of the starting 6.
Oo nga.
Including team captain and starting setter, Tin Bangcola. Oh, a nice lucky shot there. Scrambling and Justice servers, but somehow they got a point.
Ano ba nangyari doon? That's an easy ball over. Ayun, I think gumalaw si Tejada, so akala ni Ronquillo she was going to get the ball.
So good side out after the timeout para sa Lady Patrol, sa Justice servers. Boras. They can't go back-to-back after that attack fault, so balik sa dalawa, kalamangan ng Lady Patrollers. And ngayon pa, ipapasok ni Coach Pinalba, si Tin Bangcola, si Kia Gomez. Really put the finishing touch probably to this game.
This is a strong front line for PNP. You've got Gomez, Tejada, and Ciborio.
Tala si Bejek coming in. Gallo coming in as well. Uupo si Pesebre. So you're gonna wonder, without Pesebre, who is the only player in double digits para sa Justice servers, where are they gonna get their points?
Right.
Bejek only with 1 point. Boras with 3. Even Angeles, who's the second leading scorer with 5 points para sa Judiciary, then not on the floor as well. Overpassed. Bangcola out to Simborio. Boras. And that's outside. And again, without Pesebre, nangangapa sa opensa itong Justice servers.
Boras is just tentative with her hits right now.
Three points. Ito ang pinakamalaking kalamangan. Make that 4 points. Biggest lead para sa Lady Patrollers here in set number 3.
Again, no, loaded ang services ng PNP Lady Patrollers and Bangcola. Kanina pa rin siya pinahihirapan niya yung floor defense ng Justice servers.
Nakaba ng pahinga ni Bangcola eh.
Wow.
So,
Serve.
really energized. Back-to-back aces for Tin Bangcola. And it's now a 5-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. En route to what will be a 3-set win here. Unless Justice servers find a way to turn it around. Yuboko. Bejek. Yes, it's in. That's a good side out para sa Justice servers.
Yeah, that's a good first ball. And, you know, si Dada did a good job feeding that to Bejek sa gitna.
Honorable Mendoza Villapando serving. They gotta get 2 straight points here. So they must get a stop here. Gomez. All right, here we go. Yuboko back to Bejek. Bejek looking for back-to-back points. Ronquillo with a dig. Simborio. Yuboko pops it up. Eto si Bejek again. Pinagapang sa net. Good play. Simborio down the line. And that'll be 5 match points para sa Lady Patrollers.
Simborio, ang lakas ng braso, ang lakas ng arm swing niya. Ang bilis ng arm swing niya. That's why she is able to produce those hits.
4 points for Simborio as a starter here in set number 3. That serve, almost an ace. Bejek. Bangkola, and this one probably for the finish. Tejada, not just yet. Bejek will set it up. Boras got it. 1 match point saved.
Nice hit there by Boras. Yung hit na yon, sigurado siyang makakapuntos siya.
Bejek will be praying for an ace here. They're down 4 match points. Good pass by Tejada. Gomez with a push. Overpass. And kinapos si Boras, but Bejek to the rescue. Rally continues. Ronquillo will put it away.
If you want a point, bigay mo agad kay Ronquillo para matapos agad ang problema. And Ronquillo, you know, she delivers.
Ronquillo, back-to-back games in double digits, putting up 14 today, 11 attacks, 3 aces. And the Lady Patrollers cruising to a 3-set win. They didn't look like they were in danger even if they were down 7 points in the 3rd set.
You know, PNP, they worked together as a team. Very cohesive sila. They were talking inside the court. They were smiling a lot. Very fluid ang movements. And I guess that's what happens when you train every day, twice a day.
Our best player, 14 points, Princess Oliveros.